आज कोई प्रेस ब्रीफिंग नहीं है, कोई सवाल जवाब का मौका नहीं है, लेकिन आपके रूबरू होना जरूरी था, इसलिए। हाँ, अच्छा, 2 सवाल कोई पूछ लीजिए, सिर्फ 2 सवाल, तीसरा नहीं होगा। पल्लवी ने पहले कहा था वो खड़ी हो जाए। No.
Do you make a commitment today that the government and your party will come out with a strong anti-rape?
I'm not. This is my first day here at the office. I don't want to sort of get into specifics and into details. You heard me in the speech the other day, and my general sentiment you understand and you've heard. I think this is the Congress Party is the best instrument to change things. It's the best instrument to bring youngsters into politics, and I think it is the most powerful instrument. And what I want to do is take the Congress family, make it accessible to as many youngsters and experienced people as possible, and try and use this instrument to change this country. That was the basic sentiment of my speech, and that is my sentiment. I think a lot of the environment of our politics and the type of discussions that we have in politics are extremely acrimonious. We are always fighting with each other. Often I feel we are fighting with each other for small reasons, because basically all of us feel the same thing. And I think what I would like to do is try and reduce that slightly. I don't want to get into negative politics. I don't want to be critical of everybody. I want to get into positive politics, because positive politics is what is going to take this country forward. Negative politics is not going to take this country forward. So that's my message to you. I'd like to also say thank you very much for coming here, and there's quite a few of you, and it's the temperature here is nice and warm. It's cold outside. No, I'm not going to take questions today.
Sir, one thing you want to give address to the message to Tamil Nadu. What do you like to?
The message to Tamil Nadu is the same as the message to the rest of India. We are as always same message to Andhra as to the rest of India. We are a dynamic country, and this country can do wonders. Lately, I feel, and maybe that's wrong, but I feel that a lot of the discussion is negative. And yes, we should have negative discussions, but there is a lot positive about this country. Many positive things that are happening every day. Many youngsters that are transforming things. And I think that also needs to be focused on. That is what I'm interested in focusing on. Thank you very much.